Have you ever found LCM and HCF word problems confusing? When do we use LCM or HCF? If the question is about things happening together again, we use LCM. If it's about equal sharing or grouping, we use HCF. Let's make it simple by solving a few word problems. Here is our first word problem. Two trains cross a signal at intervals of 45 minutes and 75 minutes. If they both cross together at 8 am, at what time will they cross together again? Now think carefully. Are we trying to divide something into equal groups? Or are we trying to find when events happen together again? Since we are looking for the next time both trains cross together, we need the least common multiple, the LCM. Let's look at our next word problem. A shopkeeper has 96 dark chocolate and 120 milk chocolate. He wants to pack them into boxes so that each box has the same number of chocolate and no chocolate is left over. What is the maximum number of chocolate in each box? Are we trying to find when things happen together? Or are we dividing items into equal groups? Here, we are dividing chocolate into equal boxes with nothing left over. That means we need the highest common factor, HCF. Now let's look at our third problem. A school has 84 pencils and 180 erasers. Each student must get the same number of pencils and erasers, and all items must be distributed. What is the maximum number of students who can receive the supplies? Think carefully. Since we are distributing items equally and nothing should remain, this is again a case for HCF. Find HCF of 84 and 108. Now it's your turn. A milkman has two containers, one with 180 liters of milk and another with 252 liters of milk. He wants to store the milk in smaller containers of equal capacity without any milk left over. What is the maximum capacity of each smaller container? Think carefully. Look at the words equal capacity and no milk left over. That is your clue. Pause the video here and try it yourself before checking the solution. Find the HCF of 180 and 252, using whichever method you prefer. That will be your answer. Let's finish with one last practice question. Two ladies go to the market. One goes every 12 days, the other every 18 days. If they both went on the same day, after how many days will they meet again at the market? Think carefully. Look at the words, meet again. That is your clue. Try finding the LCM of 12 and 18. Pause the video and try solving it yourself. Once you're done, check your answer to see if you got it right. Here is a bonus question with a visual. A seminar is to be arranged for 120 mathematics students and 150 science students. The organizer wants each classroom to have the same number of students with only one subject per room. Solve it and write your answer in the comments. That's all for today's session on LCM and HCF word problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step problem-solving lessons.